thanks for enrolling in this course to help you build a fantastic analytics resume. You're 2 hours away from building out a fantastic resume that is going to attract more hiring managers to it and help you get through applicant tracking systems. We'll look at how to identify jobs that are a good fit. We'll talk about how to write your resume and all of the different components that should be there. We'll also look at how that might be different depending on the amount of experience you have or if you're brand new to the role. We'll also look at some sample job descriptions. So I'll walk you through a sample job description, show you what I would highlight and make sure that I included on my resume, assuming I had the experience, and then actually show what that translates to. We'll talk about how to include projects on your resume. We'll look at how to talk about your work experience and adding measurable impact. And then we'll look at how to put it all together. So thanks for joining me, and let's get started on building your resume.